Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the technique. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to arctan of s. Du we got about ds over 1 plus s squared. So this one we got about u squared, and this one you got about du. Next, we put about the square root of b over 2. So that means inside this integration we got about 2 multiplied with e to the power of u squared du over the square root of b. So we know that this one is about error imaginary unit, imaginary error function. So we can put about fi, and we put about c is about constant. About u, that's it about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.